Look for persistent trails of worker ants moving to and from a food source as the clearest sign that points toward the colony location. Follow any visible ant trail and look for where it becomes densest or disappears into a crack, because that is usually the entry point or a path to the nest. Check foundation edges, pipe penetrations, and utility lines outside where soil meets the structure, because ants often nest close to moisture and warmth. Carefully remove mulch and inspect for disturbed soil or small earthen tubes. Inside, inspect baseboards, corners, and behind appliances where crumbs and spills accumulate, and use a flashlight to look for small gaps around windows and doors. Feel for drafts and touch for warmth, which can indicate hollow spaces they use. If trails converge on a wall, tap gently and listen for hollow sounds, which can signal a void where a colony is nesting. When safe, probe gaps with a thin tool to see if ants retreat deeper. Track trails to outside features like tree roots, stacked wood, or planters touching the foundation, because colonies commonly bridge structures with vegetation or debris. For subterranean species, excavate a small area near the densest trail with gloves and a trowel to see soil tubes or nest entrances, and for carpenter ants, inspect for frass in corners and soft wood that yields when pressed. Common mistakes include spraying broad surface insecticide and assuming the problem is solved. That only kills foragers while the colony remains, so baiting along trails with a slow-acting sweet or protein bait works better. Another mistake is sealing obvious cracks without first tracking all trails, because ants will just find another entry, so observe for several hours and seal multiple access points with silicone caulk once activity drops. People also ignore outdoor attractants like pet food or leaking irrigation, which keep colonies nearby. Remove those food sources, reroute irrigation away from the foundation, and maintain a gap of gravel or hardscape between soil and siding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources specific to pest detection and repair, so we can help coordinate targeted treatments and structural fixes. We also host a discussion community where our members share hands-on tips and contractor recommendations to help both homeowners and tradespeople find work and solutions.